Now let's see what are the adaptations in the xerophytes that live in water scarcity conditions to actually reduce transpiration. First of all, these plants, they have thick cuticle. For example, in case of banyan, there is presence of thick cuticle over the leaves which reduces the rate of transpiration. Then in some plants there is loss of leaves. Since I told you that the leaves have the stomatal pores by which the transpiration process is taking place. So there are some plants, for example in case of cactus, there are no leaves. The leaves are reduced to spines. So this is one of the way by which the plants are reducing the rate of transpiration. Then some plants such as Nerium, they have narrow leaves. So the narrow leaves also reduces the rate of transpiration. Then fewer stomata are there in case of some plants, due to which again the rate of transpiration is reduced. And Nerium also contains sunken stomata, means the stomata is in a depressed state, due to which there is a reduction in the rate of transpiration. Then the location of stomata. Since stomata are more on the lower surface of leaves, then they are not going to get direct sunlight. When they are not going to get direct sunlight, then this is also going to reduce the rate of transpiration. Then in some cases the leaves are modified to spines, the leaves are modified to scaly leaves. So this is also one of the way by which xerophytes have adapted to reduce the rate of transpiration. Then succulents, presence of mucilage on the leaves in case of opuntia, it also reduces the rate of transpiration. So these are the adaptations in plants, mainly in the xerophytes which live in water scarcity conditions, to reduce the rate of transpiration. For example, let's recall presence of thick cuticle, the loss of leaves in cactus means in cactus there are no leaves, the leaves are change into spines. Then narrow leaves in Nerium, presence of fewer stomata reduces the rate of transpiration, sunken stomata in case of Nerium, and the location of stomata more on the lower surface also reduces the rate of transpiration. Then leaf modifications into you can say leaf spines that we have discussed, right, into scaly leaves also reduces the rate of transpiration. And succulents means presence of mucilage on the leaf surface, as in case of opuntia, it also reduces the rate of transpiration. So these are the adaptations by which plants reduce the rate of transpiration.